What's up, Voro riders? In this video, we'll cover 5 basic skills that you need to know, especially if it's your first time getting on an electric scooter. Joining us today as a first-time rider is our very own Miriam, who we'll be walking through each of the 5 steps with. And after that, we'll discuss some do's and don'ts when it comes to riding your electric scooter safely. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Kickstarts. To safely start riding an electric scooter, we recommend getting yourself into a rolling start before hitting the throttle. That way, there won't be as much of a jolt. After powering on your scooter and closing the kickstand, kick off with your strong leg and ease onto the throttle to power the motors. Most scooters can be set as kick to start or zero start. Kick to start is best for beginners as you are required to push the scooter up to a couple miles per hour before the throttle will engage. Zero start means you rocket away as soon as you pull the throttle. While riding, maintain stability by standing with your feet comfortably apart, one in front of the other, similar to how you would stand on a skateboard or snowboard. Avoid standing with your feet parallel on the deck as it can lead to loss of balance. Step 2. Grip the handlebars with both hands. This may sound obvious, but it's crucial to keep both hands on the handlebars to maintain balance, stability, and control. All of the scooter's controls are on the handlebars, or the cockpit as we like to call it. So keeping both hands on the handlebars will allow you to react quickly to any obstacles or potential dangers on the road. Step 3. Press the throttle steadily. To ensure smooth and comfortable acceleration, it's important to apply even pressure on the throttle. Avoid abruptly pressing down all the way as it can cause the scooter to jolt forward suddenly. By maintaining even pressure on the throttle, you can maintain a steady pace and anticipate potential obstacles or hazards on the road. As you become more comfortable riding, you can gradually increase the pressure on the throttle to achieve higher speeds while maintaining control. Step 4. Steer by turning and leaning. It's okay to turn the handlebars to steer at low speeds, as this will control the direction of the front wheel. However, once you reach higher speeds, it's more effective to lean into your turns. Leaning engages your core muscles and shifts your weight to the appropriate side, allowing you to change direction smoothly while maintaining control of the scooter. By leaning into turns, you avoid the risk of losing control that may occur if you turn the handlebars abruptly at higher speeds. Therefore, it's crucial to master the art of leaning and shifting your weight to effectively steer the electric scooter. Step 5. Pull the brakes evenly. When you need to slow down or stop an electric scooter, it's important to shift your body weight back and down while pulling the brake levers evenly. If your scooter has dual brakes, it's important to get a feel for using both. Gain practice applying pressure to both brakes evenly and learn the braking pattern that works best for you. Congratulations, Miriam, you are no longer a rookie scooter rider. Now let's talk about some general do's and don'ts when it comes to riding an electric scooter. Do make sure that you wear the proper safety equipment. We recommend a CPSC certified helmet. Half face is fine, but once you get up to higher speeds, you should be wearing a full face helmet to protect that noggin of yours.
And jawline.
And beautiful jawline. We also suggest wearing riding gloves, eye protection, and closed-toed shoes. Don't ride without the proper safety gear. The majority of serious accidents involving electric scooters occur with rental scooters, which are often not equipped with helmets. As we like to say, dress for the slide, not the ride. Do practice riding your scooter before hitting the streets. It's important to feel comfortable and confident when riding on the road, so be sure to get familiar with the controls, turning, braking, and riding at higher speeds in a controlled environment first. Don't be too abrupt on the throttle or slam too hard on the brakes. Pressing the throttle too fast could cause you to accelerate quickly and lose control. On the other hand, braking too hard can cause you to throw you off or make you fishtail. Instead, be smooth and controlled when accelerating and braking. Do check your scooter before each ride. As a preventative measure, you'll want to identify and fix any issues prior to your ride. Make sure the folding mechanism is secure and the scooter is locked in the upright position. Examine the tires for damage and proper inflation. Check your brakes, then turn on the scooter to check battery charge and for errors on the display. Holding both handlebars, press the throttle gently to check response, and if all is working properly, you're ready to take off. Don't have excessive handlebar movement or overleaning during turns, as you will probably fall off. In addition to turning smoothly and gradually, be sure to maintain proper posture and keep your center of gravity over the center of the scooter. At the end of the day, the key is to have control over your scooter when riding. Your confidence will build the more you ride, so as the saying goes, practice makes perfect. And those are our 5 steps for beginner riders, as well as some do's and don'ts when it comes to your electric scooter. Now for all you beginners out there, it's time to choose an electric scooter that fits your riding style, environment, and ability. If you're unsure where to begin your search, you can refer to our scooter comparison at VoroMotors.com. You can also come in for a test ride at any of our locations in LA, New York, Hawaii, or Australia. Did we miss any tips for beginner riders? Let us know down in the comments. And as always, safe riding.